Today's word is strenuous. It is an adjective. It means requiring a lot of energy or physical effort. Something is strenuous if it makes your body work hard and causes you to feel tired, like running a long race or carrying heavy boxes. Similar words include demanding, vigorous, tiring. Climbing the steep mountain was a strenuous activity. The athlete completed a strenuous workout at the gym. Moving all the furniture into the new house was very strenuous.
Are you going to run a marathon tomorrow?
Yes, but it will be a strenuous task since it is so long.
Emma uses strenuous to show that running a marathon is a difficult challenge that will make her body work very hard. Think of the word strong when you hear strenuous, because you need to be strong to do these activities. It is often used to describe sports or hard labor. What is an activity you find strenuous?